Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the strawberry jam recipe in Heartopia. First, make sure you already have the original jam recipe and you can buy it from NPC Massimo. And after that, just go to your stove, tap on it, and then just choose the mixed jam or original jam like this, and then just change the fruit ingredients to strawberry like this, and then once everything completes, just tap on start cooking. Like this. If this your first time cooking it, special animations will appear like this. And that's how you can unlock strawberry jam in Heartopia. And for this strawberry, you can get it from the gardening. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.